Welcome to the project demonstration of smart bag for human safety system. So in this project we have the features like sending location continuously for monitoring to the Blink application using the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and we place the ESP32 camera also to send the images after capturing, and that will be sent to the registered email ID in our ESP32 camera. So means ESP8266 this module to send the alert notification and also location values continuously to the Blink application whenever she presses the switch when she need a help, and also at the same time the system will capture the images and send the mail, and next the buzzer will get switched on to alert the nearby persons as she need the help. And here the whole system getting power supply from the 12 volt 1 amp battery. Yeah, one more also the taser generator. So this is the act as a shock system, so which will provide the shock high voltage to the person, and that will be done by this taser circuits. So this will get the power supply from this 4 volt battery which is rechargeable, and the remaining whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp which is rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge this battery, just we need to connect this plug to the 230 volts AC inputs, and then there is a two LED indications over here. So here we are not supposed to touch. It will generate the taser here, means it will get the shock. So it will be fully charged in a duration of 6 to 8 hours. So after the time completion, you can disconnect the power supply to the charging circuits, and now we can execute the system. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced this 12 volt 1 amp battery through the DC buck converter, nothing but which will act as a regulator circuit here. So why? Because we need 5 volts power supply as the operating voltage for GPS and ESP32 camera and remaining all other modules. So 5 volts only. So for that purpose we need to regulate that 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC with help of LM2596 regulator board. After that we will get the constant DC 5 volts. So when we provide that to the Arduino Uno board, so it will start reading input from the input modules like switch and the GPS module. So the switch interface at the 10th pin and GPS module interface at the receiver pin of our Uno board, and based on the switch inputs the system will on the buzzer which is connected at the 12th pin and also control the relay at 11th pin. So the relay is allow the battery power supply to the taser circuits which will convert 4 volts DC to 1000 volts of AC with low current, means minute shock will be getting from this taser electrodes here. And the output module is ESP32 camera which was interfaced to our microcontroller at 9th pin, and a transmitter pin of our Uno board interface to the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So these are all the input and output connections for the project. So after before on the gate we should take care of the batteries under the fully charged condition, and then now go to the hotspot setting. The next step is go to hotspot settings of your phone. Change the hotspot name to setup that to project 5632 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 129 and AB band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling the hotspots and data, log into the Blink application. There we can see red icon over here which will show the status of devices is offline now, and log into the Gmail. So there we'll get the email alerts to our phone. So they're the previous alerts. Now stay on the Blink application screen. After all these setups, now on the power supply. Wait till the device comes to online. So we can see that right, the smart bag is connected and the red icon was gone. So one more double confirmation we need to do is we need to check the ESP32 camera also connected or not. So right, we can see that two devices connected. One device is ESP8266 and there is ESP32 camera. After this confirmation, now you can give the input to the Uno board. So whenever she in emergency, she has to press the switch, then automatically the relay got switched on and the taser got switched on, and you will get the notification alert in your phone. Right. After 5 to 6 seconds, if you want to disable this buzzer, then you can reset this Arduino Uno. Only reset, don't switch off the power supply, as the ESP32 camera is sending mails. So it will take around 15 seconds to 20 seconds maximum. So in the duration you will get the photos. So based on your network it will receive 15 seconds only. Right, we got the photo now. Right, so we can see that. So in this manner we are going to provide the security for the women. and we can make the system by making like SMD components, so that it will be come to the compatible mode. So almost 20% of the whole size will be reduced. Means 80% will be reduced to 20%. Only this camera and ESP8266, and instead of Uno board we can use a nano board, and GPS will be comes to the normal nano GPS also. And relay taser we can make it as a power transistor switching circuits to on this taser one. And battery also we can use the lithium ion battery or lithium polymer battery for low size and high power compatibility.